Still no one is there in the lecture. So let us wait for a few minutes.
How it's gonna look like?
That will do from the
Yogas,
next unit onwards because
HOD
whatever
के
you're learning
रे
right
सिग्नल है
now,
ना
I'm not going to.
Good morning, all of you. This is our second lecture. Many of you are going to join, so let us wait for 2 or 3 minutes and then we'll start this lecture. Okay, so I hope that most of you have joined, so we can start the lecture now. Okay, so in the first lecture, we have discussed all these things. Share it. Fine, so all these are the things that we have discussed in previous lecture, and I had asked you to fill out that shared sheet by 17th and 18th. By 17th and 18th, you need to decide, required to decide team, tool, technology or software. And from 19th onward, your time was started. And in this lecture, what you need to do, you need to give a kind of brief intro. Any teammate can give this brief intro on your selected. So in this thing, what you need to do, any one teammate from your team need to represent that selected tool. That is what is the purpose or for what software. Right? So you just need to give a kind of brief intro about that tool. And let me go to okay, around 69 students are there, but only 22 to 23 students have made the entries. Okay, so starting with the first student, 91 series 201.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you just represent your selected tool?
Yes, sir. Let me share my screen. Should I share my screen or not?
No, there is no need to share the screen. It's fine.
Okay, sir. I have chosen Android Studio, and Android Studio is used for the Android development, as you know, and it can be used by the two famous languages. One is the Java, and another is the Kotlin. So basically, as I have covered Java, so I'm thinking to implement some of the things on Android Studio using the Java. And apart from it, I'll try to learn some of the Kotlin things as per guidance given by you that I have to complete two tasks.
Yes, yes.
I'm thinking to do one of the two applications, make two applications over there in Android Studio.
Fine, and please make sure that those two applications you will be able to complete in that given timeline. Right? So there
Actually,
is no
sir,
need to create bigger applications. Just
yeah,
create
that's
small
what.
applications.
Yeah, small. It will be like that, sir. Because I'm the
Yes.
beginner, even I'm learning this tool first time.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. So I think I have given the approval, and you can go ahead with that. Yes. Next, 9 series 123. Nine one series Mohammad Asif. And I asked to do the entries individually, not team wise entry. Fine. So 3132 has made the entry, but his teammate has not done the entry here. Fine. So do individual entries, not team wise entries.
Excuse me, sir. Hello,
Yes.
sir. So we have to write our enrollment number in that teammate enrollment number. Like, uh, if one person from our team write the enrollment number, then again we have to write our enrollment number in next line or the field which are empty in the teammate enrollment number.
So for example, here Muhammad Asif has made the entry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here in this column, your enrollment number will be there. In this column, your full name, your class, which tool or technology or software you have selected. In this column, your enrollment number, Muhammad Asif has written his friend's enrollment number. But actually here I am accepting enrollment number of his own. And here in teammate 2, teammate 3, here your teammate's enrollment number. Clear?
Okay, sir. So the teammate of Asif Raza will should write the teammate enrollment number of his own. Okay, I understand.
So Asif need to write his enrollment number here in this column, and this 3120, this will be there in this column. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Asif 3132, 3120, anyone from this group present here? They are absent. Here also they have made a mistake. Ahmad, Mohammed, and team. Ahmad, Mohammed, and team. Anybody from Ahmad, Mohammed? Taneem Ali, Mohammed Imran, Ahmad Mohammed, 3231, 3131, and 3214. Anybody from these three present right now? Okay, so they are absent. Four. Even to 4, 3124, 3119, or 3199. Anybody from C?
Yes, sir.
Can you represent?
Yeah, 199. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, 199.
Hello. What happened? Anybody from these three?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please represent. Please introduce your selected tool.
Yeah. Can you explain the Kotlin or?
What is the use of Kotlin and where you are going to use it?
Okay. Kotlin, it is one of software developed to easy and to
Is it
understand
software?
this uh, mobile application developers.
Is it software? And only this one student 3124 has made the entry. All have need to make the entry. All are required to make entries in this shared sheet. This is not team wise entry, this is individual entries. Again, I'm repeating, this is individual entries, not team wise entry. Please, all of you make entries in this shared sheet. What you're going to do with this?
Yeah, this software, it is to use it for to develop the applications of mobile and Android.
So you are going to create applications, right?
Yeah,
Using
create
Kotlin.
applications of mobile
So
or
you will
Android.
create small applications, two small applications using this.
Yes.
Fine. And please make entries in the shared sheet. I want
Okay,
individual entries, not team-wise entry. Only one of your teammate has made the entry. Other two also need to make
okay,
the
sir.
entry. Thank you. Neeraj, Neeraj,
Sir, he has
Yes, sir.
written on chat.
yes, Neeraj, go ahead.
Okay, so about GitHub, GitHub is an open source software. It is acquired by Microsoft. It is a platform for various uh, programmers or coders where they can work or coordinate on a project. Uh, they can work on a project like, for example, there is a software, and if multiple programmers or we are a team and we want to work on it, so we are able to work on it. We can create our own version of the original file, and we can keep on updating it or some like that. And what we are intending to do for our this subject is that we are trying to we'll be hosting a website, and uh, our team members will be working on it and creating different its repository, its different versions of the original file.
Okay, Neeraj, and what you will do with this tool?
So we will host our website
Fine.
in.
And Neeraj, only you have made the entry from your team. So please ask your teammates also to do the entries.
Okay, sir. Entry, like, so what's up?
Sorry, should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so actually what you have done, only you have done entry in this shared sheet.
Oh,
This is not team wise entry. You all need to do the entries in the shared sheet.
oh,
Right? So it is
individual,
not
sir.
team wise entry, it is individual entries.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me, sir. Are you speaking?
United States. E186, anybody?
Yes, sir. 186. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay, I am going to use a TensorFlow. But before using TensorFlow, I'm supposed to know how TensorFlow is working. First of all, TensorFlow is it's built by C++ language. Inside there, it's embedded from several languages like Python, like Java, Java, Python, and many languages. But what I'm gonna to do there, it's video, web. That video. How can I say? Okay, I'm gonna to make a video in the website that you in the video we can talk. And we can also, whenever we are talking, we are finished talking or we are finished teaching. Suppose we are teaching, we are finished teaching, and the video is gonna to register. I mean, we can watch the video again. Are you getting what I mean, sir?
Okay, fine. And you are alone in your team?
I don't have team, sir. I was needed to have a team, but I don't have a
Okay,
team.
so you are alone, right?
Yes.
Okay. 3197.
Yes, sir.
GitHub is already selected by Neeraj and team, so you need to modify it.
What, sir?
You
I didn't
modified
hear
it.
you.
Sorry,
I didn't hear you probably, sir.
you didn't have.
I didn't hear you probably. Can you just repeat what did you say?
GitHub has already been taken by Neeraj and team.
So no one can pick the same thing as the other.
Yes, yes. And so I have. That's why I have marked here that you need to modify it.
Okay, sir. When should I change it?
Discussed in previous lecture that within 2 days I will make entries here. You have not seen that I have marked these things.
Sir,
So
I
by
saw
5 p.m.
it.
today, 5 p.m. today, please update this.
So we should change the tool. That's it.
You need to update this. To those whom I am asked to update the definition, I'm adding one more column here. This column is only for those students to whom I have asked to modify it. For example, I asked to modify your definition, your tool. You have selected GitHub. So whichever new tool you're going to select, you need to write down in this column. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't do anything with this one. Whichever new tool select, you need to write down in this column. Those to whom I have approved it, there is no need to do anything.
But sir, we can't use the same tool. It's not possible, yani.
No, same tool is not allowed.
Okay, sir.
I find today update this.
Okay,
new
okay,
tools.
sir. By today I will update. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, 3190 and team.
Okay, we are talking. We are doing about Bootstrap, with just a type of CSS framework. It's very important for responsive and mobile first website, and also they are different. They are very important for example, for speed up development and also time server. They have good consistency and customizable also. So we talk about this and we upgrade this. It's all about.
There are 3 teammates in your team, right?
Yeah.
You have made the entries of only 2 here.
Somewhat material.
Your enrollment number, your teammate 2's enrollment number, and teammate's 3 enrollment number. You made entries of only 2. Let me add one that you all need to add.
Okay, we write. Okay. Okay, sir.
All of you also enter your team leader's enrollment number here. All of you are required to make the entries in this share sheet. Also enter this team leader's enrollment number, and to them who I'm asking to modify the definition in this updated column, you to view that updated tool. Update it. And so I have approved it. You can go with it. Matthew, there is a
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
next is Ravi Kumar and team.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think you also have made only one single entry.
Yeah, yes. Actually, sir, I think my which I was taken, this is not approved, right?
Okay,
Hello?
so first of all, how your Git
Hello?
will be different from GitHub?
Actually, sir, in GitHub we are just doing a collection of things, right, sir? Like more things there we are doing, but in Git we are doing a single things like Git is just separate from GitHub. Look, something is matching, but Git is just to define individual things, but GitHub is defined a collection of things.
Okay, purpose.
Hello?
Git is used for what purpose?
Sir, software development.
And both are different, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
And in your team, how many members are there? Only two.
No, sir, one is also are there, but I think he's not mentioned here. We are three.
Okay, so I think you have only made the entry here. Ask them to also make entries in
Yeah,
the shared sheet because individual, this is not team-wise entry, this is individual entries, right?
yeah, okay, okay, sure. Okay, sure.
So that's fine. You can go with it. Approving it, right?
Sir, can, can you say it's approved or not? Actually, I'm not able to
Sorry.
see the perfectly. It's
Sorry.
approved or not?
Yes, I am approving it. You can go with it. I already approved it. And please ask your teammates to do entry in this shared sheet.
Yeah, okay, sir. I will ask. By today, it
Okay.
will be completed.
Yes, and all of you, please make entry in this column. Who is your team leader? And so you all need to make entries in this sheet.
Okay, sir. I
Next
will
is
mention by
Krishna
today.
and team. Fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Krishna and team. Krishna and team. Krishna and team. Yes, yes, Darshan, you all need to do entries here. For example, if you are the team leader, then you yourself will enter your own enrollment. Krishna and team 3188 and 3183. Anybody from these three? Anybody from these three? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you so much. Anybody from these three? Okay, so marking them absent. Even 7-6. Even 7-6. Even 16. Even 9-3. Even 9-3. Marking them absent.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Uh,
Who is
I'm from
there?
T6.
What is the number?
3214.
3214.
Ranim.
Yes, please. Yes.
Yes, sir. I wanted to hear your question, please.
There is 3131 and 3213.
Yes, sir. We're a team of 3.
You are team of 3. Where are others? 2. Other 2.
Yeah. Yeah, the 2 which are written above me. Ahmad Muhammad Dawood and Muhammad Amran.
Where are those 2?
Yes, sir.
Where are those 2?
Yeah. Is it fine? We're gonna write about got it.
32133131. Are you there?
Actually, they are not here.
They are not there. Fine. So you are only here. You are present. Now, what you will do with this tool?
Well, sir, I didn't start writing about it, but I know that I chose this tool because it's been just like Unity 3 to make games, and like I will search and write about it very well.
Okay, so you are going to prepare a small game with this.
Yeah,
Fine. Further, 2 teammates are absent. Fine. Thank you.
thank you.
Sir, group number 2.
Mohammad Asif and team.
Yes, sir, yes. Unity engine. Our topic is that.
3123.
Yes, sir.
Where are 3120? Where is,
Sangram, he's here, I
Yes, sir,
guess.
I'm present.
okay, fine. So, what you will do with this tool?
Sir, it is a tool to develop a game, either 2D or in 3D,
Okay,
for many different platforms.
okay,
It is used as gaming engine and framework, sir.
okay. And you're going to prepare a small game using this, right?
We will
Yes, sir.
prepare.
Right?
Is it okay,
You're going
sir?
to you're going to prepare a small game using this, right?
Yes, sir, yes. And
Fine,
we'll prepare a report and submit it to you.
fine. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you. Next, 3103. 3103 and team.
Yes, sir.
3103.
Hello, sir.
Okay,
Is it
fine,
audible?
fine, fine. And again, Kotlin is already selected, so you need to modify it.
Yes, sir. What did you say?
Kotlin is already selected, so you need to modify it. Fine.
Okay, okay.
And whichever new tool
Let me
or technology or
proceed.
software that you're going to select,
Okay. Let me opt for JavaScript with Sunny 158.
JavaScript will be there in your syllabus itself, so not go with that.
So, what do you recommend me to go? Yes.
In previous recording or that chatbot's content, you can find different links. I had given you few links from where you can get idea that which kind of tool or software to select.
Okay. Let me start. I will
Before 5
in
p.m. today, before 5 p.m. today, please update selected tool or technology or software in this column.
Okay, I'll do.
Don't modify here. Modify in this sheet, in this column. Next, Tarika and team.
Yes, sir.
You are 3 members, right?
Yes, sir.
And all have made the entries here in this sheet.
Yes, we have made on down, sir. One and
Fine.
another is making. Yes, sir.
And where are others? What is your number?
3210.
Your number is 3210.
Yes,
Where
sir.
is 317?
So they must be in the class. No
Where is
idea, sir.
3167? 318? I think they are absent. Only you are there.
No, sir. 167 is present. I think she has mic problem today.
3167 is there. 3168 is absent. So, what you will do is,
Yes, sir. We are going to use material or materialized design. It is a design system, sir, made by Google. We are trying to make one website using this website, or we are going to learn how to use this to make the designs in website. That's,
okay, fine.
yes, sir.
Thank you, Ashish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Sarika, your number is 3167, right? Sarika? Okay, fine. No issue. Next, Sunny and team.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in your team, 3177, 3157.
3170 and 3157 is my teammates, sir.
Okay. Where are those teammates?
So we are
They are present in the class, sir. And they have also
Fine. So,
entered.
what you will do with this? What you will do with this?
So, one of my mate is going to tell about this.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
157, sir. My role.
Yes.
As per our sir discussion in our teammate, we selected Atom, sir, for our tool to represent. At least since.
Okay. Yes, and what you will do with this atom?
So actually, it's a desktop application, sir. For we can use the coding for many coding fields, sir, from software scripting to web development. So it's mainly it's a free and open source text editor, sir, for all kind of OS, Mac OS, Linux, Microsoft Windows, everyone. That's why it too will research on it.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Please enter this leaders.
Excuse me, sir, for your sound.
To enter your team leaders and not here. In this column, you need to enter. Sunny is the team leader, right?
Yes, sir. Up till now, I am the team leader.
Fine, fine, great. No issue. And it is all the team to do entry in this chat sheet. Fine. Next is
Sir, they have already entered.
fine.
We'll
Great.
do it. We'll
Thank
do
you.
it, sir.
Thank you. Next 3195. 3195. 3195 is alone in his team and he's not responding, so marking him percent. 775. 775. Not responding, marking him as absent. 3175 is changing, updating the sheet. Three 75.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 3175. You selected React JS.
I'm with Sanyi, sir.
Sorry?
Sanyi Gupta. I'm with Sanyi Gupta.
What is your number?
175.
175. Hariso.
Yes, sir. 175.
Evodros Hariso, right?
Yeah, Todros.
Okay, and you have selected React JS, right?
Yes, React
And
JS.
what you will do with that?
We are doing with Sanyi. Sanyi Gupta 158. Yeah.
You have not made here. They simply present that in your team.
Sir, we are going to develop website.
In this sheet, Hariso, you need to also enter these details.
Okay, sir.
Team leader and your teammates' enrollment numbers. This is blank. That means that you are alone.
Okay, I will fill, sir, soon.
Fine. And you're going to prepare a simple website using React.js, right?
Yes, sir.
Here you need to enter team leader's enrollment number. Here your enrollment number, and here your teammate's enrollment number.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will fill.
First column. This is for teammate. This is for yourself. This is for your teammate 1 and teammate 2. So total teammates will be there.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will fill it.
You selected React.js and that you have updated. It's fine. So you can go with it. Even 91. Even 91. Can you unmute yourself, David? You are in library. Okay, fine. So David, here, if I'm asking to modify this selected tool, then you need to make that entry here. This is not for enrollment number. This is for your enrollment number. Team leader's enrollment number, your own enrollment number, and your teammate 2 and teammate 3. And the wrong entries. What you will do with web crawler? What we will do with web crawler? David? You will create a kind of small video game, right? Fine. Alone in your team, right? David? Okay, fine. You can go with it, and I'm approving it. Next, 3192.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What you will do with this?
It's a software development kit, so I'm already using IntelliJ for Java, but I'm thinking to use IntelliJ either using Java or learn Kotlin and do more software like an Android development, like using an Android development kit, or maybe a cross-platform app. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm not 100% sure which I'm going to be using. It's Java or Kotlin, as IntelliJ already has built-in built-in software development kits. So yeah.
Okay, fine. I'm also approving it. I think you are alone in your team, right?
Yeah, I'm alone here.
Fine. So I'm approving it. You can go with it.
Okay.
Sunny Gupta and team.
Sir.
Okay, I
Hello,
think
sir.
React.js has already been selected.
No, sir. Theodoros is in my team.
Hariso is in your team, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me clear one more thing that you are team leader.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Sir.
And Hariso's number is 175. Who is 174?
174 is
Yes, sir.
Johannes.
103.
Bisa, the one who
Then
said
total
Java.
members will be 4.
Yes, sir.
But maximum members are allowed is 3.
Okay, sir. We will deal with it.
Only maximum 3 members allowed, not 4.
Sir, I don't have another team members. That's why.
Sorry?
We cannot be 4.
From HOD's desk, it is strict instruction that maximum 3 members will be allowed in one team.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine.
Sir, what if we don't have the group? For me, like,
if you are alone, that is fine. No issue.
Sir, can I do alone?
Yes, you can do alone also.
That could be difficult, sir, for me. At least I have to share some.
Maximum 3 members are allowed.
At least I have to share some knowledge from.
Those who are having only one, they are alone in their team, or there are two members in their team. You can join them.
Okay, if I don't get such kind of students, what can I do?
If you don't find a team, then you need to do it alone. You do that. You need to select a different tool, and you need to do that task alone.
Okay, we'll see.
So these are the four team members. You need to modify the team. React.js is allowed, but you need to modify.
Okay, we will. But it is approved, right?
Yes, React.js. But for example, if one of your teammate is going to join other team or going to do separate project, then he or she need to do he or she need to join different select different tool.
Okay, got it, sir. Yeah.
Fine. For example, one of your teammate out of these four, for example, is separating from your team, so he will need to select different tool.
Yes, it is.
Fine. Next, Rohit and team.
Sir, Rohit belongs to my team. My name is Sanjay Chaurasia, sir. 177.
Yes, so you are in, okay, fine. So you are in the same team, fine. So anybody,
Yes, sir.
I think VIM is left. Suman and team.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can go ahead.
Okay, sir. So Vim
What
is
is
a
VIM
text
and
editor.
what you will do with this?
Yes, sir. So Vim is a text editor which is based on Linux and OS operating system, and basically it is used by programmers all over the world. It is very important in testing phase of the software. So when we made software, if for debugging or any purpose, before deployment of the software, it is very important to check whether the code is correct or not. So Vim helps us with that. We can use all the Linux commands for that. So I think it is a very good text editor, and we'll be making a small software, and we'll be showing how we can test before deployment, like testing phase of the software. And that's it about Beam. So it is a very powerful text editor.
Okay, fine. You can go. I think Kashi is also done. Mahima. Mahima and team. Mahima and team.
Yes, sir.
I think GitHub has already been selected. You need to change it.
Okay, sir, we will change it today.
And so it is already selected. You need to modify it. You need to update it. Update it by
Okay, sir.
5 p.m. today, and inform me on my WhatsApp number regarding your updated or new selected tool topic.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will text you.
Regina. And they also updated materializes already done. Fine.
Sir?
Yes.
I update mine 175. Third roast.
What is your number? is the number?
175. I choose Visual Studio.
Visual. So,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes, so you are not allowed to select those tools and technologies or softwares which will be there in your syllabus.
This also selected by another student.
No, that will be there. You are going to study that in your syllabus itself.
Okay. So I can't choose it.
Yes. Or you can go with it. No issue.
Okay.
Fine. You can go with it.
All right. Okay.
Anybody left? Anybody left? Vikash. You are with anybody's team? Vikash, you can unmute yourself. Anybody left?
Yes, sir. He is in my team.
Okay, he is in your team, right, Suman?
Yes, sir. Me, Vikas, and you guys.
Okay, fine. Now, I hope that you all have the screen. Yes. So I have already given the approval. Whenever you have made that entry within 1 or 2 days, I have already given the approval, and you can start learning that tool, start working on it. You perform any tasks using that selected software or tool or technology, and that you need to include in that report. Steps to use it. There is, I think, second chapter is there. Not sure about the chapter, but the title is steps to use that tool or technology or software. In that, you need to add those two tasks. For example, somebody has selected Android Studio, so he or she need to create small two applications and give the steps to use or to create that application. Right. So you need to perform any two tasks using this software or tool or technology, and you need to submit that report by 7th of July. Start learning that tool or technology or software. Side by side, keep preparing the report and presentation. If you want to present, you can present PPT. Otherwise, you can give the. It is up to you. Report is compulsory. You need to submit the report. Presentation, you can directly give the demo. You can start the tool or software, and you can directly give the demo that this is how it can be used. Or you can prepare PPT and you can present it. It is up to you. And I hope it is clear.
Sir.
Sir.
Yes,
so
yes.
You are going for PPT. What will be the maximum number of slides?
Okay, you are asking about the maximum number of slides in that presentation, right?
Yeah.
There is no limit. The thing is simple, that you should be able to explain that how that tool will be used, which are the steps, which are the different functionalities, modules, and all those things.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Got it.
Fine, thank you. Yes, Ashish, please.
Sir, we have to prepare individual lab manual or one lab manual, one report for one team.
Okay, you can prepare one report per team, but all teammates need to submit that report. Submission will be individual.
Okay, sir. So we can submit the same file by 3 of us,
Yes,
right?
yes, but please change that submission enrollment number on all those things.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. So team-wise report will be allowed, but submission will be individual. Clear, Ashish?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Fine, thank you. Okay, fine. So most of you have started written your enrollment numbers. So those who have not, they can write down enrollment number in the comment box for the attendance. Thank you. And see you in the next lab. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.